Hi guys, I'm Sunny and welcome back to another episode of Sunny's Effin' Delicious. Today I'm going to be reviewing a popcorn chicken recipe from one of my favourite YouTubers, Ethan Chlebowski. Ethan's a home cook who's known for getting quite technical about his cooking, and he's great at trying alternative cooking styles and recipes. In this recipe he aims to create a spicy popcorn chicken using only pantry staples, for example using milk instead of buttermilk. So let's give Ethan's recipe a try and see if it's any good. Let's start off by dicing 2 skinless, boneless chicken thighs into small bite-sized pieces. Of course you can use chicken breast here, I just prefer the flavour of dark meat. Place your diced chicken into a bowl and squeeze in the juice of half a lemon, followed by 2 tablespoons of Louisiana style hot sauce, a tablespoon of salt and a cup of milk. Mix this together before setting to one side and preparing your dry mixture. Let's start with 50 grams of plain flour, followed by 25 grams of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of cayenne chili pepper, a tablespoon of granulated garlic and a tablespoon of black pepper. At this point I was meant to add some dried oregano, but I forgot. Mix your ingredients together, then pour in some of that spicy wet mixture. A couple of tablespoons dotted around is fine. Use a spoon to mix this around, creating little clumps of flour. Now these are going to create the most amazing crispy batter coating. Place in your chicken pieces and make sure that each piece is coated well with the seasoned flour. Although our wet mixture ensures that the flour will stick to the chicken, it's still always best practice to press the flour into each piece of chicken individually. This is how each piece of chicken should look. Right, go ahead and grab a pan. I'm using a wok with a flat base. We want about 2 inches of peanut oil and heat this to about 165 degrees Celsius. Then slowly start to place in your chicken. The trick here is to not overcrowd the pan, otherwise the temperature will drop and the chicken batter will become soft and soggy instead of nice and crispy. Keep mixing this together so that the chicken doesn't stick. Here's me not listening to my own advice and adding a few cheeky extra pieces of chicken. It's okay, I managed to get away with it. Keep an eye on your chicken and keep mixing every 30 seconds or so. After about 5 or 6 minutes you should have this beautiful deep dark brown colour and each piece should be nice and crispy. At this stage remove these using a slotted spoon and allow to drain on some paper towel. Repeat this process for the second batch. Next, moving on to our spicy sauce. Take a tablespoon of that hot frying oil and stir in half a tablespoon of butter. Add a pinch of salt, some cayenne pepper and 2 tablespoons of our hot sauce. Give this a really good mix and finally place your chicken into a bowl and top generously with the chili sauce. Mix this well to make sure each piece is coated well with the chili. Plate up and there you have it, spicy popcorn chicken. I have to say this really did taste amazing, much better than KFC, and hats off to Ethan, I couldn't stop eating this, it really was effing delicious. Guys, if you enjoyed this video then please like, subscribe, comment and share. I'll be back tomorrow for another episode of Sunny's Effing Delicious.